Okay, so to start, you want to take your square piece of paper and you want to fold it in half diagonally through the centre. Then open it back up again and fold it in half the other diagonal. Like that. Then open the paper up and turn it over. Now what you want to do is you want to fold it horizontally both ways. Like this, and open it up. Okay, now you want to take one of the points, call it the bottom point, and take both the left points and the right point down to it like this. And that naturally closes the paper. Like this, into a smaller square. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to take the right edge and the left edge on this bottom and take it into the centre as well, like this. So take the bottom edge and fold them in. Like this. Now you'll see this triangular tab at the top. Take it and fold it down. This is just a crease, so you just want to undo it. Okay, now take the two flaps you just made and open them back up, and then take the top layer of paper and pull it all the way up, like this. You'll notice the paper naturally starts to close, and when you pull it all the way up, close in the edges, like this. So you'll bring them from the outside down into the centre. Like that. Now turn the paper over, and you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. So take the two bottom edges and fold them into the centre, like that. Crease the triangular flap back over them, and then open these flaps up. Take the top layer of paper and pull it all the way up until the outside edges start to come in. Fold them into the centre, and once you flatten them down, you've finished the Origami Bird Base. Thanks very much for watching.